Right, we've got a few little jobs to be done in the garage today. Yeah, don't be fooled by the sunshine. There's been showers on and off all day, so got one or two jobs to do in here. We'll take a look around while we're here. We've got my 350 Bullet there, even though it's called a 350 Lightning, because it was originally a Royal Enfield Lightning, and I pinched the engine out of it, then bought a 350 engine and put it in this and had it re-registered as a 350. And that engine, squeeze in, went into my 500 Bullet, which is now a 535 because it's got the Lightning engine in it. Started them both up the other week. Haven't been started for a long time. Also over here, hidden away, is a Suzuki 404 in need of a bit of TLC. And tucked away right at the back is an old Aprilia Futura 50. I don't know, that's probably just rot away there, that one. Thought I'd just show you my solar setup. Got a couple of 10 watt solar panels on the roof, only little ones, and I've got this controller here which goes down and charges that battery, which gives me lights in the garage because there's no electricity in here, so it's just a row of garages. So yeah, and then I've got the other panel which goes in to charge the bike. That was already on it. That was one of them Oxford trickle charger connectors, which is the same as what plugs into my solar panel. So yeah, that's how I keep charged up when I'm off the road during the winter. Anyway, back to what we are going to be doing. As you know, I've been carrying this little bag with the essentials in on the back, but what I'm going to be doing is fitting a couple of these with a sort of semi-hard case, you know, plastic, and I'm going to be fitting them on these handles. So I'm not going to be using this this Velcro to fasten them on. Probably end up just cutting that off actually. I'm going to be using the P-clips. So I'm going to put the P-clips around this bar and screw them into this bag. So they should sit like that. I don't need massive storage, it's just I need some storage. And yeah, that's about as much as I need, but the intention is to have a whole puncture repair kit in the other side, because the pump, the battery operated pump that I've got, will fit in that. I'm also in the process of fitting a indicator beeper. I bought this one from eBay. It's got the beeper, it's also got an LED, and it's got a variable delay until it starts beeping. You can turn a little screw just there to adjust it. Now it's got 3 wires coming from it, 2 red and a black. The black's just earth, so you connect that to any earth, and the 2 red ones connect to the left and right indicator. Now I found the indicator tail light, number plate light plug here. I just took it apart, used a multimeter and turned the indicators on and see which one gave out a current. So what I've done, it came with them horrible Scotch locks, but I have actually soldered into the wire, so it's nice and secure. I didn't realise it came with a LED as well, so let's just turn it on. So yeah, we've got that as well. It's loud enough, it's not overly loud. But yeah, I should be able to hear that, I think. I'm just contemplating what to do with this LED now. I could lengthen these wires, run them under the tank, and somehow position it on the top of the speeder. If I position it on the top of the speeder, it's going to be pointing at me and I should be able to see it better. The wires, you won't see the wires, they'll be well hidden. I've just took that cowling off there because I was contemplating attaching the beeper to the front indicators, but they were a little bit more difficult to get at. But yeah, I've also painted the screws in that cowling, painted them black, so you don't see them as much. But if I show you the delay, then you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, I've got it set around 15 before it starts beeping, which, yeah, should be good. Yeah, they're not much either. It's about £13 off eBay. So I'm going to get on and get this all positioned and tidied up. Just going to try running them wires off that LED. I'm sure it'll fit along the tank because they got this is wire for the heated grip, so if I follow that, I'm not going to be far off. Right, yeah, I think we're done. Got the wire coiled under there with the adjuster box there. Got the beeper, that's stuck on the side there, our little tab. It all came with it, all came with the kit, that did. And like I say, I've extended these LEDs, LED, it goes up alongside the tank, comes up at the back, and for now I've just taped it to the top of the clock because that is sort of pointing at me, so I should see it. But we'll see. So if we look at the LED when I turn it on, nothing at the moment, the indicators are flashing. And yeah, we've got the LED shining in my eyes, the delayed beeper coming on. So hopefully that'll stop me leaving them on. Alright, so we're going to be drilling a hole through the bag. Pretty much there, I think that'll work just fine. It should keep it away from the cowling, the tail there, rubbing. If it does, I'll put a bit of tape or something along there to stop it. But yeah, let me get them holes drilled and well, we'll see how it sits after that. Okay, so there we have the first one done. Don't look too bad, if I say so myself. If I show you, see, I painted them P-clips. strobing a bit, the picture is because of the light. Do I need it? I don't know. I'll have a look in here. Yeah, as you can see, I just bolted it straight through, and we turn that light off. It doesn't seem to be doing what I want it to do. Yeah, you've got a little pouch there. I've got a zip pouch on this side, and yeah, get what I want it in there. Everything, little bits and bobs. Most of this will fit in there. In fact, probably all will. Yeah, and like I say, I've got the other one, which has got pretty much puncture repair kit in there. But yeah, I'll get on with the second one, and there's space behind as well. It's not touching, so I haven't got to put anything there yet, but I will keep my eye on that. Yeah, I'll get on with the other side and show you after it's done. There we are, job done, and yeah, look okay, if I say so myself. Doesn't make any sort of extra width at all. It's no wider than the foot pegs. Yeah, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. In this one I've got my air pump and screw in, puncture, I mean stop you having to puncture screws. And this one's just me hat and some bits and bobs and a few essentials. But yeah, so now I've got my bags, and I've managed to find a proper clip for this, so that's looking better. Indicators. Yeah, job done. I was going to say the sun's come out, but yeah, it's very up and down today. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.